Look at this beauty. Holden's Astra. It's had its place being your first car, the old ladies run around, and taking your grandma to the shops. Not a car that sings status, but we've always had one nearby. Love it or hate it, this modern version feels like the Aussie Camry. Today, we're doing a minor service. Let's get stuck into it. Remove this splash guard for easy access. While the oil is draining, do some checks and top up fluids. Now that the oil's drained, remove the oil filter. Just look at that oil. Jesus.
I heard to be successful, you must be willing to sacrifice. Whatever it takes, I'ma get there. Playing off in my mind, was it gonna be the pain that holds me back? Nah, fuck that, I'ma put that pen to the path and the page to the lab. I'ma brace this gift on a moment to backtrack in the air with a dream by my side. Never looking back, this is gonna be my chance to fly straight for the place that I swear I can taste. Damn right, I'ma give chase to the feeling, the one that they call life. I wanna make a difference, cause we only got one ride. So if this my one, only one to do something right, go and make a change day by day. Now we changing lives, now they you'll be looking with them gazing eyes, saying I do believe. Things took up to feel the weight. This air is heavy, my breathing steady. I savor the moment, it's only temporary. This healing gotta get over it. Step aside, shadow. I'm headed to the light where I see the future's bright. Trying to hold me down with chains, I keep on coming. Then misassumption. You think you're the only one with brains. I'm a master of disguise.
Check for some leaks.
I begin to rise and tell myself,
and she's good to go.
so if this my one, only one to do something right, go and make a change day by day. Now we changing lives, now they you'll be looking with them gazing eyes, saying I do believe. Wide awake, frozen state, brace it up through the day. Take it on, this is fate. They ain't gonna stop me now. They ain't gonna stop me now.